If you're looking to customize QR code colors in Unicode, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change up your QR codes and even share some key things you need to consider to make your codes stand out. Stick around because I'll also be giving you a sneak peek at some great alternatives at the end that might serve your needs even better. First things first, customizing QR code colors in Unicode is a breeze. Once you've logged into the software, you'll see a simple interface that allows you to adjust the QR code design. What's cool about this tool is how intuitive the process is. No complicated menus or settings. You'll start by selecting the color options directly from the editor. Next thing, Unicode gives you flexibility with both the foreground and background colors. You can easily choose a solid color for the foreground or even apply a gradient effect. This makes it a great option for businesses looking to match their branding. But be careful, too many flashy colors could impact your code's readability. It's all about balance. The third thing to know is the customization tools let you upload your logo or other branding elements directly into the QR code. This gives it a personal touch and makes it stand out even more. It's perfect for marketers or anyone looking to add a professional spin. However, it can get tricky if the logo is too complex or large. Stick to something clean and simple to keep things sharp. Another cool feature is the ability to adjust the shape and size of the individual blocks that make up the QR code. You can opt for circular, rounded, or even custom shapes for a more unique look. This might be a game changer for those looking for a more creative spin, but again, don't overdo it. Sometimes keeping it classic works better than trying to get too fancy. Now, while Unicode offers solid customization options, there are a few things to keep in mind. It doesn't offer as many fine-tuned editing features as some competitors. If you need more advanced customization for things like multicolored patterns or high-level integrations, Unicode might not be the best option. But it's a solid choice for most casual users or small businesses looking for something quick and easy. Let's talk about some alternatives. If you're after something with a bit more versatility, consider trying out other QR code platforms that allow for deeper customization. These tools may offer advanced functionality like dynamic QR codes, analytics, and better color blending options. These extra features could really take your branding to the next level. I've also got something special for you. If you sign up through our link, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial for Unicode, plus some extra perks that are only available to viewers like you. But if you're still looking for alternatives that can serve your goals even better, I've found a few platforms that might give you more advanced options. So, be sure to check out the link below for the best deal on both Unicode and some fantastic competitors that could offer more for your QR code customization needs.